Hi everybody, so on today's video we're gonna talk about suspensions and services. So we will start with the rear shock. So here we are, we've got our WP Trax Shock. It's important to check all the settings you had on your shock when it was on your bike. So compression, low speed, high speed, rebound, and the preload as well. So whenever you will go to a specialist, suspension specialist to improve your suspensions, it will change all these shims here. So depending on the size of them, the diameter, the thickness, and the number of them, it will change the compression and the rebound effect. Okay, so to understand how it works, here we have the rebound shims and here the compression shims. So the rebound shims are getting oil from these channels here, and it travels through the holes and pushes the shims here. You can see the compression shims on the bottom, so the pressure will go from here to the shims here. So inside here I have a tank full of Motorex oil. You can see the level is here. So now I can plug my vacuum pump tube here. Okay, so now the pressure is on, the piston is moving to its normal position. I switch this off, and now we will push the piston all the way to 10 millimeters before the end. So that will be our nitrogen capacity. So my rear shock is now bled and full of fresh oil without air in it. We just have now to fit all the nitrogen. So we're gonna fit 8 bars into the cartridge here. So therefore we will use this tool that I have here. Now I'm just gonna have to fit the rear shock on my rally bike, then to set the sag. So now just a quick recap about why you should service your rear shocks. You should not wait until the rear shock is leaking to do it, because if it leaks, that means the seals are damaged and probably some dirt went inside, and most probably you'll get some damages internally, so don't wait for it. That's it for our video with Motorex. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. If you have any inquiries about stuff you want to learn on your bike, send me a DM and we'll try to do something for you. And by the time, stay safe, stay home, and enjoy your ride whenever you will be able to do. Bye bye.